like I only knew
Maliligo.
about it at the end. And then, so I think the substance was the...
It was like not looking.
Ayun guys, special reveal na to.
It was like
Ni Junjun.
You know, it was like it was,
Maswerte ang masasenan ko dito. Ah.
I just
Ano lang to, promo.
felt maybe not at my best.
Oh, diba?
For just going with him and all the kids.
Sa mga ano lang to, sa mga
Stranger to scandal, but this time the drama is
sa mga ano na nakalimutan ng panahon.
so swirling that Courtney
Nakalimutan ng panahon. Eh.
an affair between him and
O sa mga
Travis Barker.
sa mga tinaliguro ng panahon.
Trust. Pushed him
O
to
sa,
a point.
o sa mga lumihis ng panahon. O sa lumihis na lang, di ba? Para mas maganda.
His whispers about Travis's past attraction to
Mas gusto ko nga yun.
has now exploded into something
Gusto nyo ba guys? Para at least,
initially dismissed as gossip.
di ba? Para matansya nyo ba?
Courtney allegedly confronted
Kung kakayanin, di ba?
The Kardashians have weathered plenty of controversies, but insiders say this one is different.
Hindi, joke lang ah. Maliligo kasi ako guys.
Or a PR stunt for their reality show. This is a betrayal between sisters who once prided themselves on an unbreakable
O, may gusto sa akin dyan.
No one knows exactly when
May gusto lang, ha?
or how Kim and
Yung walang
Travis
gusto.
crossed the line.
O, diba?
But the rumors have resurfaced with new intensity.
Huwag na sumali, di ba? Wala namang gusto eh.
Speculation swirled that Travis had a crush on Kim before
Sino ba
they
yun?
got together.
Ayun nga, pa-countis ko yun eh. Face reveal ni Junjun.
Actual affair took place. Courtney devastated. A source close to the family hinted on social media that
Oh,
Travis had uncovered
mag-chat lang sa akin ha, by messenger.
and was preparing to
Ano
confront
lang natin yung secret. O, diba?
social media
Para at least, ako nga pala si Escape, o, diba? Kung gusto mo lang makita, o, diba? Para sa akin naman, ano lang naman yun. Parang, ano lang ba? Big opportunity para sa inyo.
Asking where Travis was and if the rumors
O, diba?
were true. Courtney stayed silent.
O, sige na, joke lang yun. Hasta la vista, baby. Are you there?